Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add PayPal to Apple Wallet. Now, the first thing I want you to understand, if you want to add the PayPal account itself directly as a payment method to your Apple Wallet for physical transactions, that one will not be possible. What we'll do, we'll add the PayPal debit card that you can create, okay? You just tap here on PayPal balance, and then right here you should see your card, and I want you to click on it. Now, what you can also do, you can use your PayPal account though for online purchases with Apple by linking it to your Apple ID to buy apps, music, movies. But if you want physical transactions, what you do is you tap here on a debit card, and then right here you should see add to wallet and add it to Apple Wallet. So you just tap on this, it'll launch your Apple Wallet, and you'll be able to add it from there. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.